So, if you were having to create a superhero database on your own, what other information would you want to know about the superheroes? Yeah, so you might want to know things like their weakness, their location, know if they have a special friend, who their arch nemesis is, and maybe even if they have like a super gadget. So, whenever you're creating a database, you want to think about what information do I need to know about these people, these group of people, or products, etc. So, we're going to continue adding to our table. We are also going to include weakness of our superhero. Once again, this will be short text and we can update our field size if necessary. We are also going to include location, friend, gender, arch nemesis, or who's the bad guy, and then also a super gadget that they have. All right, so now that we have our table set up, these are all the columns that we want on our database. Once we have everything entered for all the fields, we can go back into data sheet view. So to change our views, we can go to the button in the bottom right hand corner, the one that says data sheet view, and now we can enter in our data. Do we want to save our table? Yes. So now you can see how our columns have been laid out or our fields have been laid out, and we can start adding in information about our superheroes. Just like in Excel, if we click on the lines in between two fields, we can drag over and make that column wider, and you can adjust as necessary. So in design view, you can set up your table. You can also make changes in data sheet view, but I just prefer to, design it in design view, and then data sheet view is mainly for entering my data. You can still make changes, like I said, and you can do that by using your table tools, and you can click on fields, and you can see how you can also change your field sizes. You can also change your data types in data sheet view as well. You may be asked questions on your certification test about, creating a table in data sheet view versus creating a table in design view. You can do it in either. To add more fields, you can just click on the click to add. You can make changes here as well. So let's look at what it's like to change field sizes, for example, in data sheet view. So if I click in superhero name, I can click where it says field size on the field tab, and I can change that size to 20. So then I won't be able to type more than 20 characters in this field. Okay, so then we already changed our special power to 40. For weakness, we can change that size to 15. Field size, location, we're going to change the field size to 20. This is where we put the city name. For friend, we're going to do 20 as well. Gender, we're just going to do either male or female, or you can just say NA on this one. So let's do field size of 2 so that we can just put like 1 letter or 2 letters. For the arch nemesis, we are going to do the field size of 20. And we'll do 25 for the super gadget. So if I go into a field and I try to type more than 20 characters here, it's going to cut that name off. Whenever you push save here, you're saving the database. You can also individually save objects in your database as well. So let's go ahead and start entering in our superhero names. Let's start with the first one. Let's put in Superman. What was Superman's special power? So last year, my student said that his superpower was super strength. You know what his weakness is? Kryptonite. Location, Smallville. He had a couple locations, but we'll put Smallville on there. And he did have a special friend. What was her name? Lois Lane. So for gender, we'll put male on here. Arch nemesis. Who is the arch nemesis of Superman?